India is planning a major upgrade to its national power grid by embedding artificial intelligence into core operations, not just forecasting. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Senior officials say artificial intelligence will deliver real time risk detection, fault prediction, and market surveillance as the grid scales to 500 plus gigawatt of renewables before 2030, demanding machine speed decisions to keep it stable. Grid India chief Samir Chandra Saxena underscored the shift. The grid's physical and digital layers now move together. Operators will ingest 40 millisecond streaming data to spot instability early and trigger preemptive corrective actions in seconds, helping prevent cascading outages amid intermittent solar or wind EV load spikes and green hydrogen clusters. Artificial intelligence will also harden the grid's digital perimeter. New tools will monitor behavior across physical power, fuel supply, and financial contracts to flag manipulation, while threat hunting and behavioral analytics defend SCADA systems against malware and coordinated cyber attacks. Recognizing automation risks, that is, false positives, bias, over reliance, the government will roll out an AI assurance framework for critical infrastructure, that is, expandable models, human in the loop oversight, and clear escalation protocols. System operators will be upskilled in data science, AI ethics, and algorithmic risk. The framework will draw on the EU AI Act and NIST guidelines, anchoring a more secure, intelligent, and accountable grid. Let's look into today's headlines. Adobe integrates Gemini Nano Banana image model into Firefly app. Google has announced that its image generation and editing model, also known as Nano Banana, is being integrated into the Firefly text to image module within the app. The artificial intelligence model is a premium offering and will require a subscription to the platform. Apart from the Firefly app, Nano Banana has also been added to Firefly boards, Photoshop's Generative Fill, and Adobe Express. In a post, the software giant announced the integration of the Gemini 2.5 Flash image model to its catalog. With Windows 10 nearing end, Indian PCs risk security issues. Microsoft has officially set a deadline for Windows 10 support, marking a turning point for millions of computers across India. From 14th October of 2025, the operating system will no longer receive regular updates, leaving users with two choices, that is, upgrade to Windows 11 or pay for extended security coverage. Industry experts say the move is timely, as many PCs bought during the pandemic are now due to replacement. However, the decision carries different consequences for home users, small firms, and large enterprises. Amazon to swap Android with its own Vega operating system. Amazon is reportedly planning to move away from the Android for Fire TV and is expected to launch its own operating system. The tech giant is likely to unveil Vega OS as the replacement for Android on its Fire TV devices on September 30th. The new OS has reportedly been in development for some time. Initial reports in 2023 indicated Amazon was planning to move away from Android for its Fire TV ecosystem. Google celebrating its 27th birthday with a nostalgic doodle. Google is celebrating its 27th birthday today, that is 27th of September, with a doodle that revived its original 1998 word mark. The anniversary highlights the company's transformation from a small research project in a Stanford garage to a technology giant that influences how billions access information every day. Although Google was legally incorporated on September 4th of 1998, its birthday has been observed on September 27th since the mid-2000s. The date was chosen to commemorate the day when Google marked a major milestone in the size of its search index. Qualcomm announces the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 mobile platform. Qualcomm Technologies has announced the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 mobile platform, the fastest mobile system on a chip alongside Snapdragon X2 Elite Extreme and Snapdragon X2 Elite. the next generation premium tier platforms within the Snapdragon X series portfolio. India's foremost technology leaders, OEM partners, and innovators come together, reinforcing Snapdragon's pivotal role in shaping the future of AI, connectivity, and immersive experiences. These platforms deliver groundbreaking performance, power efficiency, and AI capabilities across mobile and PC devices, enabling more personalized AI experiences than ever. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.